Welcome to 18 Abercrombie Street. So, it's week 3 Monday, and we're starting on the stairs. This actually looks a lot better in real life than it does on this camera. It's not as dark in real. But we've managed to sand down the stairs. We've de-nailed them all. I've been messing about with different techniques: sanding, scraping, heat gun, and I think the heat gun's the perfect way to do this. So I've managed to do one stair. It's 3:45 in the afternoon. I was messing around with different techniques for quite a bit. It took me about 2.5 hours to get all the nails and staples and screws and carpet tacks and all that out. Oh, that's been in over the 160 years it's been around. So the first step goes like that. We've only got another 13 or so to go. It's taking me about an hour each one, so it's going to be a labour of love. But we'll get there. Onwards! Slow going. It's 3.5 hours later, and I've managed to strip it all the way to the top. Not started sanding yet, but hopefully it should come up. But yeah, long way to go. As you can see, these are very rough, the threads. There's 1 or 2 missing as well, so I don't know if I'll replace them all with new beading, but they do clean up okay once you get in at them, but it just takes time. So today we've been busy with ragging all the electric cables, and we have a hole in the ceiling. And that's because, I'll climb up here, this is going to be stairs, this is going to be bedroom 5. I haven't really seen up here. Nice neat hole, cut all the way around to allow the stairs in a rebuilding what will be the ceiling. all good. Through here, more electric cables in, all on first fix. Starting to get there. And in here, we've got the walls ragged, basically for lighting, switching, new stuff put in, old stuff taken out. Yeah. More cable. All looking good. So what you're looking at there is some tanking material. Because we've been busy today, the boys have removed half my floor and tanked this wall. Just in the off chance that it's not the gutter, we're going to do the job properly and replace all these floorboards. There you go. Easy peasy. Nice bit of work. Put the new floorboards back. So, the new damp proof course. That should sort that right out. Very good. And there's the wall. Fantastic. All we need now is a little plasterboard. We have a understair cupboard. Can you see that? So, when you go up the stairs, we have a floor. This is a good size room. So, looking fantastic.